Not all insulation is created equal, and not every job needs the same solution. With Sakasui Thermobreak, you've got options, each engineered for a specific challenge. So, which Thermobreak is right for your application? For indoor ducts and pipes, choose Thermobreak LS. If you're insulating HVAC ductwork or chilled water pipes inside a building, you need something clean, safe, and fast to install. That's Thermobreak LS. It meets the highest fire ratings available, it's fiber-free, meaning no dust and no mess, and it offers easy installation. Thermobreak LS is ideal for mechanical rooms, commercial HVAC systems, and interior piping. For exterior or exposed pipework, use Thermobreak No-Clad. Working outdoors or in harsh environments, you'll want Thermobreak No-Clad. This insulation is built tough, with a rugged foil facing that resists UV exposure, saltwater corrosion, punctures or wear from the elements, and it delivers excellent thermal protection and long-term durability. This product is perfect for rooftop ductwork, marine or coastal projects, and exposed chilled water or refrigeration lines. For noise-sensitive areas, go with Thermobreak AcoustiPlus. When controlling sound is just as important as managing temperature, reach for Thermobreak AcoustiPlus. Its partially open-cell foam structure reduces noise while still insulating thermally. And like the rest of the Thermobreak line, it's fiber-free, fire and smoke compliant, and resistant to mold and moisture. This is a great choice for office spaces, hospitals, schools, and mixed-use duct systems. One insulation line, 3 high-performance options. Whatever your challenge, Thermobreak has a solution, and TBP delivers it with precision. As a trusted converting partner, TBP custom die cuts Thermobreak insulation to your exact specifications, ensuring a perfect fit every time. We also offer peel and stick options to streamline installation, eliminating the need for on-site adhesive application or trimming. Have questions or want to talk through a project? We're here to help. Give our team a call at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. Let's make your next insulation project easier, faster, and more precise with the Sakasui Thermobreak Insulation line.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.